Hey guys, this is Vishnu Solanki and you are watching Maths. So today we are starting our lecture series 6th of chapter number 2 polynomial NCERT board standard 9th. So you see in a thumbnail, actually today we will solve the various proved examples. Okay, so here is a new identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to, so this is the elaboration, x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. So simple, we have to compare our example with this identity and we have to solve. First of all, these three terms is actually same to this. This is x cube, y cube and z cube. So we can say this is the cube of 3x. Yes, this is a cube of y, or this number is a cube of z. Yes, now these two are the same. Minus 3. Here is a 3 into x into y into z. Means we have to place here value of x, y and z. The value of x is 3x, value of y is y and value of z is z. Now simple, our example is directly in the form of this identity. Now just we have to expand this in this form. We have to expand our example in this form. Okay. First we have to write x plus y plus z, means we have to write here 3x plus y plus z. Okay. Now x square means 3x square, 9x square, y square, then y square remain here as it is, and z square. Now xy means we have to multiply these two terms, 3x into y, 3xy. Now yz means we have to multiply y into z, same. Okay. Now xz, so then we have to multiply x with z, then 3x into z, 3xz. Okay. So this is our answer of question number 1. So how can you factorize? You see, simple, apply the identity and find out the answer. So now our next question is, we have to prove x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to, in the right hand side, half xyz, x plus y plus z, in a bracket x minus y the whole square, y minus z the whole square, z minus x the whole square. So we have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. So here I am taking right hand side. First of all, I am taking right hand side and I just have to solve this. This is your right hand side, then you have to write here RHS, then start half x plus y plus z. Okay. Now we have to open these brackets. Here is a x minus y the whole square. So when we open this, it will become x square minus 2xy plus y square. Okay. Now we have to open the second bracket, y square minus 2yz plus z square. How can we open this? We just applying our identity, a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. And here z square minus 2zx plus x square. So this is our first step. Now second, half x plus y plus z. Now what should we do? X square, here x square plus x square, then it will become 2x square. Okay. Y square plus y square, this is 2y square, and z square plus z square, it will become 2z square. Now these three terms you have to write here as it is, because no operation is there. Okay, this is our second step. You see here in each term you can take 2 is a common, and here is a divide by 2, then you can cancel it. You can cancel this dividing 2 with this 2. How can you cut? Simple, take 2 common and cancel. So I am neglecting my one step over here. So now finally, this is our second step. Now we have to multiply this 2 bracket. How can we multiply? This x will multiply with this all the terms. This y will also multiply with all the terms. And similarly vice versa, this z will also multiply with this all the terms. Now x into x square, x cube, x into y square, xy square, x into z square, xz square. Now x into minus xy, x square y, x into yz, xyz. Now x into zx, zx square. See, I am multiplying. I multiplied x with this all the terms. Now the term of y, y into x square plus x square y, y into y square, it will y cube, y into z square, this is yz square, y into xy minus xy square, y into yz minus y square z, y into zx minus xy z. It's too long. Now it's time of z. Z will multiply with all the terms. Z into x square, xz square, z into y square, zy square, and z into z square, it will become z cube. Okay, z into xy minus xyz, z into yz minus yz square, and z into zx minus z square x. So here we have so many terms. So here a lot of term will be cancelled out. Xz square, here is xz square, xy square cancel out. So आराम से आप ये इक्वेशन लिख के उसको आप कैंसिल करना. The only this remaining terms, this is x cube, this is y cube, and here is a z cube. xyz, one more xyz, and one more xyz. These term will be as it is, and instead of this, after all term will be cancel out. ये terms के अलावा बाकी जितने भी terms है वो cancel हो जाएंगे. वो आराम से आपको कर देना है. x cube plus y cube plus z cube. I am writing here as it is. Here you see 3 times minus xyz is there. 3 times minus xyz means 3xyz is your answer. You see, this is your RHS and this is your left hand side LHS, hence proved. So now the third example, you see this is your previous identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz identity, okay? And based on this identity, we have to show if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, the value of x plus y plus z is equal to 0, now we have to show this equation. Okay, so simple, whenever you see x plus y plus z, you have to put there 0 in this identity. I am writing this identity again, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. I am copy this identity same to same. Okay. Now here x plus y plus z, the value of this x plus y plus z is given, that is 0. That is 0 means all the numbers, all the terms will multiply with the 0 and our answer is 0. इसके साथ जो भी कुछ मल्टीप्लाई होगा वो सब कुछ सब के सब क्या हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. So now x cube plus y cube plus z cube remain here as it is, and this minus 3xyz will go on right hand side and becomes plus 3xyz. See, hence proved. तो अगर आपको अच्छे से आइडेंटिटी याद हो, इफ यू नो आइडेंटिटी वेरी वेल, देन एग्जाम्पल विल बी easy. So now, actually this is the last example for today. Without calculating cubes, find the value of this number. We don't have to cube this number and then after add. We just apply here identity and find the value of this number. Okay. So now this is our identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Actually this is the value of x, y and z. Whenever I compare my question with this identity, I am able to see here the value of x is minus 12, value of y is 7, and value of z is 5. So now simple, this is our expanded form. First of all, we have to add these three numbers. Okay, I am adding these three numbers, x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z means we have to add minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, 12, and 12 minus 12, our answer is 0. You see, the x plus y plus z, the answer of this fraction will be 0. So that means all the numbers, all the terms will multiply with the 0, then you get answer 0 only. That means your equation is now x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Here your answer is 0. Okay, see, we have to find the value of this x cube plus y cube plus z cube. We have to find the value of this term. Okay, then minus 3xyz will go on right hand side and becomes plus, is equal to minus, it will become plus 3xyz. Okay, now 3, value of x is minus 12, value of y is 7, and value of z is 5. Okay, so now again multiply these numbers and you get minus 1260. This is your answer. This is your answer of this question. Okay, so आपको लिटरली समझ में आया कि अगर इन तीनों का एडिशन किया जाए तो वो 0 होता है. 0 होता है, इसका मतलब ये पार्ट आपका 0 हो गया. Whenever you multiply any term with 0, then you get answer 0. तो मतलब इक्वल टू के राइट हैंड साइड का जो पार्ट था, this part, it will become 0. That means minus 3xy will go on right hand side and becomes plus 3xy. Now you just find the value of this terms. Simple, multiply 3 with x and y and z, and then you get your answer. Okay. The one more example is there that you have performed in your homework. Okay. One more example is there. This is your homework. You have to perform this example in your homework. So now we are ending our chapter number 2. Chapter number 3 will start soon. So चैनल देखते रहें, लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन दबाइए तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ गुड डे.